guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Mackenzie Hammer, and this video will be about how my toys got arrived for my two new budgies. So let's go ahead and open it up. I need some scissors. Okay, let me turn this light on. There we go. Okay, guys. Excuse me? Okay guys, so this box is actually bigger than I intended, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to open it. How do I just, oh, that was easy. Ugh. This shouldn't be complicated. Okay, I think I got it. Just gonna rip it open. Yay! Oh, Jesus. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I don't know what all of this. Oh, it's pretty long. Oh. Okay, what is this? It's air plugs. What? Okay, don't mind it. Yay! I got my mirror and my toys. And I got my food. Katie. This is so cool. Okay, so let me check this out. So I got the ones where it has like the red things in it, and then, but yeah, so good on the food and then good on the toys. So let me actually open the toy. Okay, so here is the toy. Okay, it's only one. Oh. So, okay, it hooks on the cage right there. If it will come off, that will be very helpful. Yay, I finally got it off. Okay, why is it like so, okay. Yay! Okay, so I got the mirror, and then the reason why I got this specific one is because, like, one budgie can sit on here, and then the other one can sit right here. KT food. So then we have the food, KT. So this has assorted fruits and veggies in it. Okay, so it has sunflower seeds in it. Brain, heart, and health support, skin, feather health, and then healthy digestion. Oh. Well, I mean, that's not a bad thing. Nutritious. Great, Katie. Okay, so yeah, guys, we got mare and fish. What do you want, puppy? Come here, Momo. If you guys don't know yet, here's my puppy. Loves to give kisses and wants to be around me 24/7. But I'm putting you down now. His name is Cooper. So I'm so excited. I like that it has a perch here so they can sit on this, and also they can sit right here. So that's also going to be good, and it's just going to hook on the cage. So I've already got two of the main things. That's definitely not all the toys. I'm going to provide. Yeah, so come with me on this adventure of my peppers. So guys, I'm pretty sure that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, real quick before you guys go, say bye to Cooper, yes. No, that's not what I was gonna tell you. What I was gonna tell you guys is that my next vlog will be on Sunday, which is tomorrow, guys. And Sunday is going to be the day where I'm getting my budgies. So stay tuned, please, so you can come with me to either Petco or PetSmart. I haven't really decided yet. I'll see you guys on Sunday, so please keep on being active. Click that notification bell so you can see it tomorrow and all of the other videos that I post. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Bye, guys.